1,000 item declutter challenge is continuing, and this is just a series of clips of random things that I've forgotten to share with you, but I want to include them in the count. So first up, I had a couple of books in addition to what I've already shown you that I gave away to the Buy Nothing group. A broken cup, that's important because I used to use it all the time. Broken piece of Tupperware, again, that's important because no doubt I still have the lid for some reason. This pair of pants, my mum has requested they get returned to her. She gave them to us, but they didn't fit. And if anyone can figure out what kind of pattern this is meant to be, let me know. This sign was in the bathroom, so we decided to get rid of it because I have to keep dusting it. It's annoying. Some leftover promo things from the last Coles that they had. Hair colour that I'm never going to use. Why I have it, I don't know, because it's brown. I'm not brown. A little set of drawers that we used to have in the bathroom that we've now upgraded, so time to get rid of them. And then this is my collection of things. Yes, random bits and pieces in here that some need to go. Starting off with this blue vase and also some older Christmas decorations. I had a thing for blue and blingy decorations at one point when we used to have a bedroom cover that was blue and we painted the wall blue, and we had some decorations that were blue. Also, hence this, a couple of butterflies from as well, Christmas decorations, and a little cocktail glass. So time for those to go. We've got a little tin here that is teddy bears. I'm a mad collector of teddy bears, but some of the nicky-nacky things we're going to let go. I've got a peace sign, again, Christmas decoration. A little shoe that was a Christmas decoration, and again, it was blue. This little set of 3 bears, I can't even remember where it came from, and a little bear photo frame. Add that to the pile. I've got a little bear sitting on some books here. Little trinket box, that's the word I was missing, and I have another one here. I spent a while having a look at the tag, trying to see if I could remember where I got it from. There used to be a store in the city, I think it was in Regent Arcade, it was like the teddy bear shop or something. I'm pretty sure that's where this is from with that tag. So maybe someone gave it to me as a gift for graduation, so I'll donate it, and I am sure that the next person will enjoy it. I just realised the last clip was in slow motion as well as a couple others coming up, so we'll chop them down. A candle snuffer that I got rid of because we don't have any candles. This was something I bet I bought for someone as a present, and I put it in the cupboard and forgot about it. I did throw this out. It's a little pot puree thing that I'm pretty sure someone gave to me when I got engaged, and of course it's leaking a little bit, so I don't really think it's appropriate to donate. And a little teddy bear candle as well. So I'm sure that someone will find a new home for it and be super happy. This little teddy bear ornament as well, I'm pretty sure that was sitting on our engagement cake, and a little teddy bear booklet as well. Down the bottom is a whole heap of the Very Berry collection, originally from Avon. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with them. So this is another candle. I'm going to donate that. And then just this single bear on a rocking horse. I'm pretty sure that was part of like a doll's house display thing back in the day. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of it. And they've got the next set of the berry collection here as well. As I mentioned, I don't know if I'm going to sell them or I'll just clear them out and donate them because, yeah, it's time to clean up some space. These little Tai Chi balls and a little stuffed toy for some reason. A couple of random bits and pieces I found. So a pair of socks, they now have a hole in them, so I'm going to throw those out. A little cleaner thing that I used to have in the car that's meant to help you reach forward for the windscreen when it's you can't see because it's cold outside and hot in, and it's foggy on the window or whatever they want to call it. A book that I found outside in the weather. Must have dropped out of my bag one day. And also a little hair tie thing that I had as a bookmark, and I can see that it's gone through the wash with a tissue. So yep. I'm not going to sit and clean that. I threw away another pair of socks, as you probably would have seen this in the declutter of the bedroom, a pillow, a pair of shoes that now hurt my feet, so they're got to go, and a little bag organizer that I'm never going to get around to using. I've got this display fake shelf thing that I originally got from Savers. It's still got the tag on it, but it's too lightweight to be functionable in the cupboard. And this three-tier thing, it has a lean to it, and I know that I said I was going to keep it, but I tried to do a display on it with some Audi things at Christmas, and it kept leaning over, and I was just beyond frustrated, so it's going to go. And next up, I have the big box of samples that I got rid of when I was doing the 30-day Use It Up skincare challenge, and I did 2 months worth of it over 60 days. I learned a lot. I learned how long it takes to actually go through products, which surprised me quite a fair bit. And I'm really glad that I have done it. And yes, I counted every single sample because they were in my home, and it took time for me to deal with that as well, but I enjoyed using all of the products. What can I say? So I have a little bit of a total to share with you in a second. I just want to say that this is a collection of little random bits and pieces I've been decluttering over the past couple of weeks, and I've just kept records of it because it's been 37 degrees here, and without an air conditioner it's just been way too difficult to do things. So I hope that this is okay as a video, but I wanted to share with you the progress and how it's taking me a really long time to get things done in and out of doing life and everything else. So 58 beauty samples, 42 of the odds and ends, so 100 more things gone. So a total of 1,442 items out of the house so far. Stay tuned, we have more to come. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.